we have this to say. The development of tropical Africa can be summed up in one word: transportation. Indeed, transportation is very important. That is what allows people to move. That is what allows goods to move. And therefore, that is what allows trade to happen, and therefore development to spread across the entire country and hopefully across the entire continent of Africa. And indeed, lack of connectivity has been identified as one of the main stumbling blocks to the realization of the AfTA ideals. By AfTA, I mean Africa Continental Free Trade Area. That protocol has been signed by almost all our countries, the continent, is suffering from the lack of effective transportation, road, sea, air, rail links between our countries. That is why this initiative, our maiden transport and logistics fair, is quite an exciting one, and one for which I want to commend the Ministry of Transport and all the collaborators in this endeavor. All who have made the efforts to be here today deserve tons of congratulations. And I also want to thank all the innovators in the transport sector, the ride-hailing sector, the electronic vehicle sector. They all are agents of change, the ones that we need for a stronger transport sector, one that is in a position to support the aspirations of Ghanaians and our desires for growth, stability, and jobs. Again, as founder and chairman of Accra, I feel extremely proud to be the host of this program, and indeed to be chairman for the occasion. But let me apologize for our not very effective cooling systems, and to promise you next time you are here,